Hello students, welcome back to the BA First Sem Basic English course. I am Dr. Vidya Patil, serving as Assistant Professor of English at Government First Grade Women's College, Bidar. In today's video, I will be introducing you to the first unit of your syllabus, that is Gender and Discrimination. As you already know, the name of the textbook prescribed for you is Persuasion. In this book, there are 4 units which you have to study for this course. These 4 units have or contain 2 lessons each. So, in the entire syllabus, you will be studying 8 lessons. In today's video, we will discuss the first unit. The title of the first unit is Gender and Discrimination. In this unit, you will understand the concept of gender studies. Let us now understand the term gender discrimination. The word gender means those properties which distinguish organisms on the basis of their reproductive roles. Discrimination is a term which is used to show any kind of unfair treatment on an individual or a group of people due to certain bias or prejudice. Gender discrimination can be found everywhere around us and it has a very harmful effect, especially on the women. The inequality of gender roles has become a part of our daily lives. I am sure each one of you must have experienced this disparity at some point in your life or the other. The ancient traditions and customs have made the girls grow up with the fact that they are subordinate to men. This has been indoctrinated into the women that they cannot surpass men and they have to follow and obey the orders of men. Awareness about what can be done to resolve this issue and how these inequalities and unjustness can be removed from our society is what we'll be looking into in this unit. It is our responsibility that all of us together must create a world where there is no kind of injustice meted out to anyone on the basis of their gender. Each individual needs to be treated as a responsible citizen. In this unit, we will be studying 2 lessons. The first lesson is titled Women's Hurdles, and the second lesson, which you will be studying, is titled Common Mental Health Issues Among Women. As I told you, the first lesson is titled Women's Hurdles. In this lesson, you will be made to realize which are the different obstacles or hurdles which you are facing in your life and how we can overcome these hurdles. The second lesson is titled Common Mental Health Issues Among Women. In this lesson, we will be studying about the different commonly found mental health issues among women. There are certain main causes for finding mental illnesses among women, such as their gender-based roles, the stress which women have to go through, and the negative life experiences which they undergo. The women are at a disadvantageous position in the society because of the age-bound customs and traditions which are enforced upon them. Women are to undergo gender-based violence. They are at a socially economic disadvantage. Generally, women from the lower income group face a lot of income inequality. They have a lower or a subordinate status in the society and they have to bear the burden of the responsibility of caretaking of everyone in the family. All these put together creates a lot of pressure on women and So they succumb to various kinds of mental illnesses. So in this lesson, we will understand which are these common mental. So in this lesson, we will understand which are the common mental illnesses which women are facing and how we can try to keep ourselves mentally and physically healthy. So students, you have now learned that the first unit of your syllabus deals with various mental issues which women are facing as well as the status of women in our society. So, once we understand these different issues regarding women, it will be easier for us to understand why women are undergoing all this discrimination and how we can remove these social problems from our society. I am sure, students, you have liked this video. Thank you.